I went to UST. I played there for like 5 years, 2010 to 2015. So, uh, well, from there, nirecruit kami ni Coach Fido sa high school from province. So, kasama niya doon si Coach Bujing Akot, which is siya din yung coach namin nung high school. So, assistant si Coach Bujing that time sa UST. That's why I choose UST din that time na maglalaro for college. And Coach Bujing, parang hiniram niya kami kay Coach Pido to develop kami sa high school. Together with Jeff Abilionar, which is kababayan ko din, a player, which is opponent sa NU siya. So, dun nag-start and then dinevelop kami from high school, which is dito sa Manila. Benedictine International School yung una, and then yung pangalawang high school, which is yung RTU, dun ako graduate din. So, yeah, that's how I went to UST.